Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best dog crates that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Carlson Dog Crate. Are you in need of more space for your dog? Well, if so, then the Carlson Secure Dog Crate is the best solution for you. It is a crate that will give your dog more space and a perfect environment to make it feel very comfy, secure, and safe. Also, this is constructed of hardened steel, which makes it adamant and durable. The Carlson Dog Crate also features a single door with a secure bolt locking system to ensure that your pet is safe. While setting it up, you will not have a rough time as it is easy to set up with no tools required. This crate allows for flat folding locks in place for complete portability or storage. At number 4. New World Folding Dog Crate. Talking about durability, then the New World Folding Dog Crate is always the subject matter of your talk. This crate has a high, sturdy structural metal casing design which creates a very safe and secure place for your dog to stay. Also, a unique fact about this is that it has a 2-slide bolt latch system which securely locks the door in place while you are away. It will not give you a hard time during storage as it folds flat for convenient storage, travel, and even portability. Lastly, the new folding dog crate features a single metallic door and a leak-proof plastic pan which is removable to allow for comfortable and convenient cleaning. At number 3. ProSelect Dog Crate. Are you in need of a non-selective dog crate for your pet? Well, if so, the ProSelect Dog Crate is what you actually need. This is a perfect crate that accommodates all kinds of dogs regardless of the breed and size. Also, it comes in several sizes, and your dog size will always be available every time to want to get one. It features a latching door to secure your dog while you are away safely. The crate also has a removable floor tray for easy cleaning and a removable divider panel for unmatched versatility. Lastly, this crate is also foldable for secure storage and portability. At number 2. Go Pet Club Dog Crate. If you love and fancy your dog, they hesitate not to get it one of the Go Pet Club soft crates. This crate provides a very comfortable environment for your puppy anywhere you go. It also provides shelter for your dog in both rainy and sunny weather. Unlike other ordinary crates, the Go Pet Club crate features water-resistant heavy-duty polyester with PVC backing. It has a screen mesh which provides secure confinement and adjustable ventilation on 4 sides. On top of that, the crate provides a kingly and highly comfortable removable lamb's wool floor pad. Finally at number 1. Foldable Dog Crate. Are you looking for a foldable dog crate that has a great combination of all functionalities with a touch of class and innovation? The 2PET Foldable Dog Crate is the perfect choice for you. It is suitable for both indoor and outdoor training and ideal for travel purposes too. It uses a durable yet lightweight steel tube design that can be easily folded. Additionally, the soft Oxford 600D fabric cover is water-resistant to keep your dog dry during rainy conditions. The crate has a well-designed bone-shaped window and mesh panels which provide proper ventilation. This one comes with a soft waterproof floor mat and a washable fleece cushion pad. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.